I am now going to show you how to create a regular order. By regular order, I mean an order that is already in your database. It's not a custom order. You can either go to the menu up here and click on Add Order, or you can use this big red button to start a new order. I'm going to use the big button. When this screen pops up, you're going to get an option of office supplies. In this case, you only have one option, so I'm going to pick this option and create the order. I've loaded the order, and there's a list of 181 items in this order guide. To start ordering the products you want, just click into the quantity field and type in the quantities that you want. To filter to the item that you want, you can always go to this filter section and type in, let's say, 255X, and it will filter right down to the item you want, and you can edit the quantity. You could remove the filter by erasing what's there or hitting that little X. If you don't find the product in your list over here by using the filters or by searching through it, you can also come to this area. This is to add an item that's in your database. That means the central office has added this item before, but it might not be in your order guide. So you click into this area and you can search either by the item ID or part of the name. So again, we can search by 255X. It gets right down to the item you're looking for, and you can put in the quantity you want, and you can click on Add to Order, and it will add it to the order. You can also add a comment by clicking on Comments. This is a test order. You hit this Add button. You can add additional comments and so forth. You can even add line item comments. So for example, if you want, you can use the PO note comment. This is actually going to end up on the purchase order next to the item. I want a green one. Or you can put in an internal note. This is only for the person approving the order. They will see this on the line item. Test internal note. You can page through all the items in the order by clicking on the first letter of the items in the order. So if you want to find all items that begin with the letter B, you can click on B. To come back, just click all letters. You can also page through all the items in the order by hitting this page number or by hitting the number of the page. You can also save the order by clicking on Save. So if you, let's say you don't want to finish the order right now, you want to come back to it, you can save the order, and then I will show you later on how to retrieve a saved order. Once done with the order, you can hit Send for approval, and once you confirm it, it will send it to the next person that needs to approve it, depending on how the central office set you up. Some more features are that you could filter down to just the items you've ordered, or unfilter from the items you've ordered, or you could rearrange the order of the columns in this grid by clicking the settings button over here. So let's say you want the quantity to be in front of the product name. You just move that by dragging this pancake button and hitting the save icon. Once saved, from then on the quantity is going to be over here. If you have already placed an order and you want to come back to it, or you've saved an order and you want to come back to it, you can go to the top menu where it says Order and click on the Search Orders option. Once there, you can see there's separate tabs for different types of orders. So for the orders that were sent for approval, you'll see them here. There are no orders right now that were sent for approval. For the orders that are not sent for approval, let's say they were just saved, you can find them here.